Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at La Crosse 616146V4 Atomic Projection Alarm Clock Temperature User Manual. Specifications. Power up. Atomic time. The atomic time signal icon will flash while searching, and be solid when connected. Hold the time button anytime, to manually search for the atomic time signal. The backlight and USB charging port will momentarily turn off while the clock searches for the atomic signal. Settings menu. Hold the Set Degree Fahrenheit to Degree Celsius button until the display changes to enter the settings menu. Press and release the plus temp or time buttons to adjust values. Press and release the Set Degree Fahrenheit to Degree Celsius to confirm values. Press and release the snooze light button at any time to save and exit. Settings menu order. Fahrenheit or Celsius. Press and release the Set Degree Fahrenheit to Degree Celsius button to select between a Fahrenheit or Celsius temperature display. Backlight and projection intensity. Press the snooze light button to adjust the backlight and projection intensity high-low and hold to turn it off or on. Please note that the low-level backlight may be difficult to see in a bright room. The power cord is needed for constant backlight and projection. When operating on battery power, pressing the snooze light button activates the backlight and projection for 10 seconds. Projection rotation. Press the projection button to rotate the projection image in 90-degree increments. Projection selection. Hold the projection button to select what to project. Watch the projection image to view changes, and release the projection button when using the desired setting. Projection options. Time outdoor temp, alternates every 5 seconds. Time only. Outdoor temperature only. Time alarm. Set alarm. Hold the alarm button to enter the alarm settings menu. Adjust the flashing values by using the plus temp or time buttons. Press the alarm button to confirm and move forward. Activate/deactivate alarm. Press the alarm button to view alarm time. Press and release again to activate or deactivate the alarm. The alarm icon will show only when the alarm is active. Silence alarm for 24 hours. Press and release the alarm button when the alarm sounds to silence the alarm for 24 hours. Alarm icon will remain. Snooze. When the alarm sounds, press the snooze light button to silence the alarm for 9 minutes. ZZ will show. Charging port. Connect your device's USB charging cable not included to the 1A USB charging port on the back of the clock. Charge 1A devices or those that are self-regulating. 1A maximum current charging times will vary. Temperature trend arrows. Both the indoor and outdoor temperatures have trend arrows to indicate temperature changes 2 degrees Fahrenheit to 1 degree Celsius over the past 1 hour period. The temperature has risen over the past 1 hour. The temperature has been steady over the past 1 hour. The temperature has fallen over the past 1 hour. Low battery. When the battery icon appears in the outdoor temperature section, replace the batteries in your outdoor sensor. When the battery icon appears in the indoor temperature section, replace the batteries in your projection alarm clock. Outdoor temperature. Hold the plus temp button to search for your outdoor sensor. The reception indicator will begin to animate. If after 3 minutes the sensor still isn't connected, bring the sensor inside next to the display and remove power from both the sensor and clock. Press any button on the clock 20 times and leave the part sitting for a few moments with the power off. Install a new set of alkaline batteries into the sensor, and then into your clock. Care and maintenance. Use the right size and type of battery. Replace all batteries at once, and avoid mixing old and new ones. Clean the contacts before installing new batteries. Insert the batteries correctly, following the polarity markings. Remove batteries during periods of non-use. Promptly dispose of used batteries properly. Warnings. Extreme cold warning. Alerts when temperatures drop significantly below average for an extended period. Extreme heat warning. Alerts when temperatures rise significantly above average for an extended period. Freeze warning. alerts when temperatures are expected to drop below freezing, potentially causing frost or ice. Frost warning, alerts when temperatures are expected to drop to or below freezing, but ice accumulation is unlikely. Heat advisory, alerts when temperatures are expected to reach uncomfortably hot levels. Excessive cold warning, alerts when temperatures are expected to drop significantly below average for an extended period. Excessive heat warning, alerts when temperatures are expected to rise significantly above average for an extended period. Troubleshootings. Check battery power, ensure that the batteries in both the clock and the outdoor temperature sensor are fresh and properly installed. Verify sensor placement. Make sure the outdoor temperature sensor is placed in a shaded, open area away from direct sunlight, heat sources, or cold drafts. Clean the sensor. If the outdoor temperature sensor is dirty or dusty, clean it gently with a soft cloth to ensure accurate readings. Check for interference. Wireless signals can be interfered with by other electronic devices. Reset the clock. If the temperature readings are consistently inaccurate, try resetting the clock to its factory settings. Contact Crosse Technology. If you have tried the troubleshooting steps above and are still experiencing issues with the temperature readings, contact Crosse Technology for further assistance. Update firmware. If available, update the clock's firmware to the latest version. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.